Welcome to Audio Logic, a company based in Mumbai, India. A perfect solution for managing the sound, light, and AV rental systems. There are many companies of sound and lights, event management, live bands, DJ setup, AV installers, video production companies who invest in expensive state-of-art equipments for their professional use. As we know, these instruments are very expensive, so that one has to take care of these systems from the damages. Over 75% of equipment damages are due to bad power conditions. A single neutral failure can damage every single piece of instrument connected to the power supply. Over or under voltage, frequency fluctuations can cause the system crash, or your digital system may hang. We have researched and came with the best solution for such problems. We have invented Power Safe Unit. From last 2 decades, we are in the rental company providing service with Pro Sound, lights, truss and AV. After long experience in this industry, we are facing so many problems in power supply. Many rental companies invest big money for their inventory, but they can't invest in power supply units. But we know power supply units are main heart of all electronic-based rental industry. So we are manufacturing Power Safe Unit from last 7 years, and we are successful in this without a single unit problem. We are selling more than 1200 Power Safe Unit in all over India with unbelievable price. We can customize power distribution units as per customer requirements. Till today, we have provided more than 50 customized designs. We won the trust of our customers in very short time span. Audio Logics. We detects, we protects. Power Safe detects the problems like over voltage, under voltage, over frequency, under frequency, phase asymmetry, phase failure, neutral loss, even 440 voltage, and protects against them. It has trip time delay, recovery time delay, power time delay, and adjustable switching hysteresis. Through Power Safe, one can monitor all the things as it has true RMS voltage display, frequency display, and backlight LCD display for setting up menu and options. We are providing Power Safe Unit with password protected functionality. You can set your power cutoff limit on your finger. Isn't it sounds amazing? Audio Logic supports Make in India. Here all product manufacturing in Make in India banner. We are using raw material with all branded companies with best quality. We provide devices at low cost with additional features as compared to other companies' unit. Audio Logics believes in standards. We are certified with ISO 9001:2015 and our company is registered with trademark. Additional perk is that we are giving lifetime warranty on our units. We deal in all over India. Audio Logic is one of the top companies in India who provides the best sound, light and AV rental solutions. We care for you and we care your system. Audio Logics, we detect, we protect.